before you can upload a photo, you have to take the photo. So what you're going to do is in the corner of your Chromebook. Now, there's a lot of different ways that you can do it. You can use a smartphone or a tablet, but I'm going to show you how you can do it with your Chromebook. So you're going to find the little circle in the corner. You're going to click on it. And in this bar, you're going to type the word camera, Camera. You're going to click on your camera, and your camera will pop up. And there's two of me. Okay. Now notice over here, my mirroring has a slash through it. That's on purpose. What mirroring means is if there's no slash in it and you have words in your artwork, they're going to come up backwards, and how am I supposed to read that? So you want to make sure that mirroring, this icon, has a slash so that your words are then, you can read them and I can read them. Then you're going to find your favorite artwork of the summer, and I'm going to use this picture of my ghosties, because they're ghosts in tea, so they're ghosties. And I'm going to take a couple of pictures because you want to have options, okay? So I'm going to click here. I'm going to have me in the picture. I'm going to have me out of the picture. I don't want to have it sideways. I don't want to have only part of it. You want to get that whole picture in your picture. You might want to ask for help so someone can take it while you hold it. Once you have a couple of photos, you can close out of your camera, and then you're going to find your Google Drive. So I am already logged in as a student, and up in the corner, you're going to click on Drive. You have to put your picture into your Google Drive before you can put it into the classroom or into the assignment. So you're going to click New. You're going to click File, Upload. And then you're going to find your picture. So it might be in Downloads, which is where mine is. So here is my picture. It's going to upload in the corner, and there it is. There's my picture. Now that it's in my drive, I can go back to Google Classroom. I can go to the assignment, click on the assignment, view the assignment, and in the corner over here, it says add or create your work. So you're going to add or create, and you want to click Google Drive. Because you've already uploaded it to Google Drive, it should come right there for you. You can double click it, and then all you're going to do is turn it in. That's it. If you wanted to add a private comment about your artwork, you can tell me a little bit about it right here, but you do not have to.